Hi, we're here today at eimports4Less, filming a short video about a vehicle that just came into us here. This is a 1978. This is a Studebaker Avanti II. This car's a silver vehicle, navy blue leather interior in this one. It was just traded in here by a local customer this past weekend. Car had 69,000 original miles on it, and just recently had the instrument cluster along with a lot of other work done to the vehicle. So the instrument cluster was replaced. It's showing now around 400 miles. That was obviously since this work was just completed just this past year. So it's had a lot of work, including a full Holley Sniper fuel injection kit. So starts easy every time. Good, a bit more reliable than the standard carburetor. But take a look around. The body is nice and clean on this one. The interior is really super clean. Take a closer look here around the vehicle. So the previous owner of this vehicle was here local to us here in Pennsylvania. He just spent $18,000 at a local restoration shop to get this car 1,000% mechanically sound. Of course, we've got all the records. Before that, this car was an Arizona car originally, so it's nice and clean and solid underneath. We'll post some pictures of the undercarriage on our website. But let's take a little closer look here at the interior. I'll show you that. All new gauges in here, so you can see those were all done. I don't know how well you could see that on the camera, but really, really nice, clean interior in this one. It's the dark navy blue. Really good condition. Take a look around at this other side here. Door panels are nice, the AC works, power windows work. Everything that you'd expect in a car that just had that kind of work done to it. So, again, we'll show you that interior. You can see all the pictures on my website of this car too at eimports.com. Really, really good overall condition. You can see the dash was replaced recently. But everything's been gone through. It's got the vintage radio that was just put in the car. Speakers just put in. New exhaust. Wheels and tires were replaced recently, so those are new. It's got a recent Pennsylvania state inspection. And like I said, it is fuel injected, so let's see here. It'll be just as easy as just turning the key. So it's got the Nardi wheel. Really nice set of gauges in there. I don't know if you can see that well, but so anyhow, it's a 78. Figure it's got around 70,000 as far as original miles go. Sounds nice. Nice sound and exhaust. Exhaust is new on the car. We'll post all the information on our website at eimports.com. Of course, you can give a call here to the dealership and speak to somebody who knows about the car at 215-249-9100. Or again, check out those details at eimports.com. And we do have, looks like it's had some fog lights added to the front of the car. We do have that cow catcher, original front bumper that comes with the vehicle as well. That's in the trunk. So call us with any questions. Thanks.